The National Commercial Bank NCB Foundation has contributed $25 million to the University of the West Indies towards clearing the debt of some 229 students in need. The foundation handed over its donation on Tuesday, November 10, on the university grounds. That is spectacular, NCB! A round of applause.
I'm happy they're doing stuff like that, because in these times, you have so many persons who need that, and you're helping our students.
Listen to me. Like right now, I'm thinking, so nobody couldn't help when we did it on campus.
Debbie, if you just said that, if you just listen, maybe I'll wait for you to say it, because nobody want to preempt you and go into that, because
but
I paid off mine.
I mean, I paid off mine too, but you know, you have to go through a loan agency, of course.
So you have to take a loan to pay off the loan and then pay off that loan.
But I'm just thinking about how nerve-wracking it must be sometimes right before exam, and you want to, you know, be sure that you're qualifying, of course, to do the examination. You're being given that, you know, that go ahead to do it, but you have to be able to pay off the amount owing, or you have to go to the bursar and negotiate and, you know, work out a payment plan before they can actually admit you to do the exam. So it's really nerve-wracking, you know?
Right. And right throughout the year, because you're talking about right before exams, but throughout the year, you almost feel like you don't belong. Like at any moment, you can be asked to leave. And that's not something
Lord
you want.
That is so true.
I'm stress it.
Can you imagine?
Like,
well, thank you, NCB, for doing this, because I'm sure, I mean, those 229 students are really happy today. Thank you so much for doing that.
And when my daughter is going to school, if you want to do the same thing, NCB, I welcome you to do that.
Yeah, I wonder how they were selected, though. I'm sure it has to do with a combination of, you know, grades and
that should be
maybe involvement. It's through the foundation, so
that should be an interesting metric.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, though, it's 229 students.
That's a lot.
Even if it was 29, it would have been a great thing.
Yeah.
Nevertheless.
I'm sure they're very grateful.
Well, the US dollar on Thursday, November 19, ended trading at Jamaican $148.50, up from 67 cents, according to the Bank of Jamaica's daily exchange trading summary. Now, meanwhile, the Canadian dollar ended trading at 111.87, down from 112.62, while the British pound sterling ended trading at 193.61, down from 196.35.
Okay, tell me everything we say a while ago. Tell me what you mean.
It just means if you have some foreign currency.
Yes, break it down for
it's valuable.
Okay, valuable now.
It's valuable.
Valuable?
Yes. It is valuable.
Yeah.
It is valuable. But in these times, I don't think we're going to see much of a difference as to how the dollar moves, because our economy is down. It was really good before COVID, but since COVID hit, it's just taken a blow against our major trading partners, the US dollar, the Canadian, and the pound sterling.
Yeah. And I mean, we don't know when this is going to end. We're very hopeful that maybe by the end of next year, things can start look up again, but end
of next year? Wow, 2021.
2021. You know, maybe, I don't know, what do you think? So hopeful?
I'm hoping it's much sooner.
Okay.
I'm hoping it's much sooner.
We'll see, guys. Lord, well, the head of the International Monetary Fund, Kristalina Georgieva, said on Thursday that while the United States and other major economies turned in better than expected economic performances in the third quarter, the world now faces slower momentum with the resurgence in the coronavirus cases. She said, while a medical solution is now in sight, the economic path ahead remains difficult and prone to setbacks. And this is something that I think a lot of governments across the world are now discussing, because we're entering into the festive season.
Right.
And so, you know, more people coming together and, you know, all kind of festivities happening.
Yeah, but it would normally be an economic boost at this time for, I mean, every economy. Because the festive season, as you say.
Of course.
For islands like Jamaica, for countries that really depend on tourism.
It's a time of consumption.
Yes.
Yes, man. Yes. Yeah.
And with persons not coming into the island, and persons not having activities, then where is that money coming from?
Yeah.
So it's...
I know. Trust me, Corona doesn't mean everybody. Corona, man, time to pack up now,
It's
man.
like a big question mark, you know?
Sure.
It's like a huge question mark.
It is.
And nobody has the answer. Nobody. Like, nobody has the answer. None.
I think everybody is now just waiting to see, you know, how the vaccine works. and, you know, hoping for the best.
Which one?
Well, there are two now on the market where that is offering, you know.
There
are two of them.
I've seen some memes.
You've seen some memes?
As to the possible side effects of these vaccines. You know, persons poking fun.
That's exactly what it is, fun, because I'm sure they're going to be doing all the checks, the balances. I'm sure the FDA and everybody, you know, all the major, you know, every institution that's supposed to give the go-ahead will be doing all the necessary research and tests before they actually put it out to the general public. So
it's because this pandemic, this strain of COVID, is so novel. I'm hoping that in order to find a solution, the vaccines aren't put on the market too soon.
Yeah.
And then there are terrible side effects.
Would you take it if it's here?
Now?
The vaccine, yes. If it's tested, proven to work, and you know they come out with it and say, all right, Jamaica, here you go. Will you be in line, Duff and Shepherd, to take it?
They can do it alphabetically. My last name is Shepherd.
Shepherd.
So Debbie Bisoon comes before me. So I mean, I'll watch you for a minute.
No, guys, that's it for trending topics.